Rekha from class 6A3. I have made this water cycle, and now did you know I'm gonna tell you the process. First, the water evaporates and becomes a cloud. Then it starts raining, and some of the plants, grass, tree green up. And then, now I'm gonna tell you like small steps. First, evaporation and condensation and pacification. Then, collection. Thank you.
So hello everyone, I am Pamela Thakur from class 6A2. I have made this water cycles using a cardboard and some color papers and bottles. Water cycle helps to water cycle helps to gain rain and some clouds, which is made by vapor of seas.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepak from class 6A2. We have made this model with water filter with the motor. Rocks remove the large particles, charcoal removes impurities, sand removes small particles, and cotton removes small particles. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Hani Thakur. I am from class 6A2. I am standing here to presenting the science project. This is a working model of water filter. I have made this water filter by using waste material like cardboard, coal, sand, etc. And the first layer of water filter is cotton, and second layer sand, third layer is coal, and fourth layer is pebbles. Good morning and hello everyone. My name is Manvi Patel from class 52. This is my SST project. This is Volcano. I am using the cardboard and colors and newspapers. Thank you everyone.